Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete group chat in Facebook Messenger app. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel before this video. Be sure to put your likes and also please write comments. So let's get started, friends. And first of all, open up the Facebook Messenger app and then find the group chat that you want to delete. Now swipe it please from the right side to the left side. That's the way, and tap More. And you will see the delete option here. But I recommend that you don't click it right away, because if you just delete, that way you're not deleting the group chat itself, but just the correspondence. And anytime there are new messages in this group chat, you will have messages again, and this group chat will be back in your list. So I recommend that you choose the option to leave the chat. That way, when you leave it, the correspondence is automatically deleted and also future messages will not bother you anymore. That's how it is, friends. You can delete group chat in Messenger app. I really hope the video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.